Yeah, ngifuna ukufisa ukuphendula kahle nombuzo.
Ayagrilla ke manje.
Ngakhuleka. Ngikhuluma iqiniso, asikho isingo sokuthi ngishonele na ngizokutshela mina ukuthi kwenza kahle.
Ayagrilla manje.
Ngikhuluma iqiniso njengoba linjalo. But the truth of the matter is, kukhona abantu abasethandweni iminyaka but uthanda abangalazi, abangakazi bathanda. Yabo? Ngoba uthini umthanda nje uyacabanga ukuthi umuntu wesifazane
Why? Because they invested so much that they expected a lot from this person.
Yeah.
If you want to do it, but make sure that you're not expecting it.
Yeah.
Welcome guys, this is our very first episode. As you guys can see, ngiyazi uthi niyangazi from TikTok uzuko Vilakazi la, but ke namhlanje ngekho ngedwa bafethu ngihamba nensizwa yakithi la, insizwa yangale ngakithi emakhaya umzolisto. This is Zola and he will be co-host for these conversations that we will be having each and every week. So sabe sinama conversation esikhuluma nje ngezinto ezenzakalayo ezweni lakithi from KZN's point of view, yabo. Nento eyiningi sobe sikhuluma ngazo kodwa this is our first episode. Asikabi nayo i-official okanye formal or professional introduction. Sisazoyinga nje sibone ukuthi ke isithathe sibeka kuphi. Kodwa with that being said, ngiphethe insizwa lana. Mina ke mfethu abantu bayangazi from TikTok uzuko Vilakazi bangiphethe. Insizwa ani yona mhlawumbe nje ngakusibeka esithombeni.
Phela ngiyabonga ukuthi sisigcine sihlanganile siqale lento le ngiyazi ukuthi la kubo into ebesesemqondweni wethu for isikhathi eside. Yabonga. Yeah, but manje seyenzeka mina mfethu hayi no vele abantu bayangazi bebengazi ke vele uyangazi la behlangana khona nabantu abaningi. I mean like it's easy ukuthi ngigcine sengihlangana nabantu ngoba sengikhona manje bazongazi kalula. Yabonga uZola mina mfethu ngwakadamoyi uyangapha emzimkhulu nami yeah.
Phansi mzimkhulu.
Phansi
Lento lesi sicabanga sithi because I remember the very first time sikhuluma ngayo, it was a year ago.
Yeah.
It was 12 months ago.
Yeah, man.
So it took 12 months. But I think it's very important, or I'm excited ukuthi sigcine sesikwazi ukuthi ke siqale lento le ngoba I feel like every time sihlangene siba nama conversation the into is powerful ngibona ukuthi yazi i-podcast ngokwayo le.
Yeah, for sure bayakudinga abantu. Yeah.
So yeah, I know ukuthi you have a lot to say abantu abayidingayo bayilalele.
Yeah.
Nokuthi ngiyacabanga ukuthi mase sihlangana kanje ziningi into esizozikhuluma nathi ezosiza ngoba phela njengoba sila abantu abaningi bayitshela ukuthi uma usuphambi kwecamera we expect wazi konke yabo nje mina property space abantu bayazi ke bangazi ngeproperty property space and I try by all means ngiyathanda ukusebenza nama first time home buyers abantu abathenga property okokuqala and because bathenga property okokuqala ngenze sure ukuthi ijeni yabo is as good as possible. Yabo ukuthi bayi-enjoy ijeni ukuthenga property, ayina stress, ngivele ngiba-educate ngoba I truly believe mfethu ke mina ke deep down I believe ukuthi ubizo lami kahle hlela ku-education. So yeah, 100%. I believe a lot in educating people, especially kule space engisona ukuthi abantu ngibafundise. But befikelele kuyenza i-decision ukuthenga umuzi because i-decision yokuthenga umuzi it's a big decision. Decision mhlawumbe ongayenza once or twice in your lifetime.
Yeah.
So it's very personal and very emotional as well. Yeah, but with that being said mfethu bengifuna nje ukwazi ukuthi mina ngiyakwazi kodwa ke baningi abantu abazosilalela as time goes by abangakwazi ukuthi ubani wakabani kanjani nanokuthi ke what you stand for as a person. Ngiyakhumbula ukuthi ke mina ke isikhathi esiningi ngisichithe ngizalelwe emzimkhulu.
Yeah.
Ngazalelwe emzimkhulu lo esibhedlela lapha esidume kakhulu lapha
Refree.
Not a refree Sentekhawu.
Oh yeah.
Ngazalelwe Sentekhawu ngoba ngaleso sikhathi uma nobaba bebenomuzi ensikeni. So ngihlala ensikeni besihlala ngazalela nje eSentekhawu sihlala ensikeni kanjalo kwathi ke ngokwenzeka kwezinto into esizoyikhuluma isikhathi esihamba ngagcina sengiye eMatatiyela ngoba ugogo ubeka eMatatiyela. So ngahlala kakhulu eMatatiyela and then on my transition ngibuyele emzimkhulu. Yila khona sengizwa ngawe ke. Ngoba ngifuna I was trying to remember ukuthi njengoba emini ngicabanga ukuthi le podcast izohamba kanjani ukuthi yabo into ezenza kanjani. So I was trying to remember ukuthi when was the first day ngiqala ukubona like isiqala ukuhlangana sihlangane nini kuphi kanjani. I know ukuthi besemzimkhulu but I can't really point out usuku engangithi engingasho ngithi ngangiqala ukuhlangana noZola la.
Nama ngisakhumbuli kahle
Angisakhumbuli
but usuke ngikukhumbula kahle ukuthi uqala ukuzwa sasikhuluma nawe efonini sakhumbula I think we were doing matric by the time like sikukhuthaza ukuthi mfethu kumele uphushe
nomlondi
kumele uphushe yabo ngikhumbula uzusho ukuthi la madoda ngathi singizabisa kakhulu ngenza kahle nje yabo like nathi bosibona phela ukuthi ngaleso sikhathi bobona nawe ukuthi simo bro bonzima ukuthi like ungaba nje ukuthi uyihlalele nje awugeleza wenze next nje uyihlalele yabo so akubalekile nathi ukuthi like iyona into kumele ukuthi yenzeke le yabo
sure ngiyakhumbula nawo ama calls ngakhumbula impela ngakhumbula sihlangane ngakhumbula okay ngicabanga ukuthi before ngikubona ngihlangane nawe ngangisengizwile kakhulu ngawe ngoba it was a point where wena ubuhlala kaGriza kakhulu lapha eChristine and then ngisengine story ngizwayo ngawo ukuthi awulungele unomjido kanje ahlala naye ngicabanga ukuthi Mathembana futhi ukwazi eqala nawe ngangasazi mangitshela Mathembana ngawe noma ngitshele usister but ngithe ngihlangana nawe ngangisengivele ngikwazi but ngihlangane nawe ngiye eMzimkhulu because you have to remember ukuthi sisaseMatatiyela besithanda eMzimkhulu because Hotman belisemzimkhulu sithanda ukuvakashela khona but sometimes uthola ukuthi anginaso isizathu ukuthi ngizokwenzana eMzimkhulu but kumnandi phela yabo so ngathola isizathu sokuthi uLungelo wayengithembise ukuthi uzonginikeza ama past exam papers so ngavele ngafika nje kaGalilea ngithi hayi ngizolanda ama past exam papers yacela lethi ukuthi ufika kanjani manje ngingazi mina ama exam papers bengawazi ukuthi thumela into ezikanjalo ngangizaba iplan lokuthi ngifike and ke sahlangana ngaleyo ndlela eClydesdale uzongiduduza lapho uthi hayi no it's fine no it's fine ngoba into efika emqondweni mangicabanga ukuthi sihlangane nini bekufika ama period awu2 bekufika lesikhathi la khona sihlele emakhaya ngingasingenzi lutho bese angazi siphe sifike eqala la khona usanda kufika uvela egoli ugqoka ushaya ukotini ugrand unakathela umjida lo uyaphila mfethu silapha ngafundisa uNgqongo esontweni angazi ukuthi between lezo sikhathi lezo siphe safika eqala I just can't remember ngingathi ke ngingayithatha from ngalesikhathi ngiphasa umatric because I think that's a very important period of my life ngicabanga ukuthi la ngi-engage nawe kahle ke Zulova sengikwazi ke manje ngiphasa umatric ngisemzimkhulu angikwazanga ukuya eVarsity because angitholanga ibhasari and then sengize ngathola umsebenzi ngaphepha but umsebenzi engangwenza ngaphepha ngaleso sikhathi ngangingasebenzi every day Monday to Friday ngangisebenza 3 days a week ngoba sashintshana nomunye nje umuntu so benginazi isikhathi ukuthi mfethu ngidepressed laphana amajida posta ke university ashaya istrike enza ukuthi mase ngizwe ukuthi ngiba depressed ngempela mkhuphuke ngiya lapha kuwena lapha uhlala ke lapha ku6 corner wakho Oda lapha ku6 corner wakho Oda ku6 corner wakho lapha ulele phezulu ubane amaplaza ngisho ngithi lethi zale isikhuluma was powerful kodwa impilo yakho
angahlangani lutho yabo ayikwakubheda mfethu kwakubheda ngempela ngaleso sikhathi leso but ke umuntu waye positive yabo it's just that ke wayengalazi elinye side yabo yakwana nobu positive but awulazi lelinye side positive ngakulona just nje ukuthi ubukela kwabanye abantu uthi mawenza kanje mawudiscipline nani kungenze ukuthi izinto zakho zihlangane yabo so ngangibambelele kuloko ke nami kodwa ngibona ukuthi bona kunzima
mfethu ukuthi yabo manje ngihlale phansi ngibheke ukuthi I'm not happy la ngikhona nempilo yami njengamanje but into yenza ukuthi ngibe grateful nento yenza ukuthi ngiziconvince ukuthi I must be happy ngivele ngikhumbule la ngisuka khona ngibona ukuthi la ngikhona manje angisekho la ngangikhona before ibanga sengilihambile selide kakhulu la ngikhona manje yes angingafiki la ngifuna ukufika khona kodwa ibanga sengilihambile selide kakhulu so yabona uma uzobekela umuntu istory sakho mfethu you know bekune couple ngihlangane nayo because of umsebenzi like these guys are well off nje ba rich ba right so oyedwa ngiyazwana naye kakhulu unkosikazi ubaba umyeni wakhe angizwana naye nje kakhulu nje so bangitexta bephikisana ngokuthi omunye uthi ngafunda elokhujana private college. Omunye uthi hayi ngikhumbula ukuthi uzowangitshela man. He never went to private college, private high school, I mean, private school. He went to a public school.
Yeah.
I bephikisana uthi I know there's no way this guy, I think this guy went to a private school. Then bangifonela bengicheck. Hayi ngabatshela ukuthi hey yabona isikole like especially even primary ne high school kwaku rough mfethu kwaku rough. Primary ne high school engiye kuzona they are even like they are less than a public school. They are less than a public school because I high school engayona I high school isikole esasenzelwe ingane zabasebenzi baseplazini.
Yeah.
So abelungu bahlangana together bathi abasebenzi bethu sebebaningi kakhulu lamaplaza asameni ukuthi ingane zabo nazo zifunda asibenzele lesikole. Kwayisona isikolo ke leso engigcina ukuthi sekuthi ke hayi nami ngiyakusona.
Yeah.
Ngafunda kusona cishe ngasebenza ngafunda kusona kanjalo ke but life was not easy man. Growing up life was has been like really difficult.
Yeah.
Impilo nje ibe rough. Bengifuna ukuchecka wena ukuthi when was the point where you realized ukuthi ngathini where you realized ukuthi hayi ngeke yabona la ekhaya izinto zi rough like hayi.
Yeah.
Because yabo kubona omncane izinto ziyenzeka but awunaki kakhulu.
Yeah.
Awunaki kakhulu until bese kube khona ipoint la khona ubona ukuthi hayi man ngeke ku rough.
Yeah.
Siyakhala.
No, mina yabona like my upbringing nje ngikhula ngisayintwana. Everything like be grand. Yabo.
Sure.
Itime la sheshela buye egoli yabo malibuya lafike lazo introduce indaba yama business leyo mlayisha ngamaveni and kwakunesitolo ekhaya. Akakhulu bro. I remember khona into esasidla Sunday kwakhona idessert ayishawa Sunday okuthiwa pudding. Like it tastes like a chocolate yabo. Yeah no kwakungekho better even though like bongayi ukuthi boku soft yabo but nje besikuthola konke besikudinga yabo. But I think like the vision, the consistency like with time yabo kwaba khona la liphazamiseka khona kakhulu like uyazi ke nawe mfethu ukuthi mangukuthi like wena ogedlezelile la yini kuze nendaweni unemoto like une business like ushintsha impilo yomphakathi yabo. Of course azoba maningi ama distraction like attention like I'm talking about in terms of yabo abantu abesifazana na
Thela ngisonke
phela igama lakhe kwakubhuti obhetela ngoba wayingcono ezinye insizwa yabo. Yeah, so there was lot of attention bro yabo. There was lot of attention awayithola kanti yena wayephuwa yabo. So I think mhlambe yamshaya kuyihandlisheni yabo. Yeah, so ekhaya ke mfethu like ngewa ngisho ukuthi but back then ngeke bokulinywa ke bro thina besilima kushawa amasimu yabo kuneinkomo ekhaya like kune umboni bokuyinqwaba yomboni bro yabo. So nje bokulinywa for the fact that bongena inkinga ukuthi umuntu azofika azohlala ekhaya because bebemthatha njengengane uzongena emasimini kulinywe yabo. Yeah, bengekho pay slip ekhaya. Payslip nje ngicanga ukuthi into eqhamuka seqhamuka nami manje like thina sikhole bokusetshenzwe ekhaya bro bokusetshenzwa like idayiswa inkuni kudayisa utshwala isitolo yabo. But into eyenzeka la emakhaya la ki development yakhona enye into engicanga ukuthi yashaya time I development yakhona was poor. Abantu babehamba bese beya kwezinye indawo yabo. And ngaloso sikhathi phela abogogo bebeholela ezitolweni ezinkulu esendaweni yabo. Uthola ukuthi makungabe ukuthi ogogo bahola bazothenga isitolo ekhaya so kuyiphileka kanjalo. But abantu bawukuthi bahamba kule ndawo sasihlala kuyona so isitolo manje ngesakwazi ukuthi sifunction yabo. Baqala kwabangathi kubanzimanyana manje yabo.
Kunzimanyana lapho because ngiyazi ukuthi before nifike lapha eClydesdale Clydesdale lapha support eClydesdale
no besala kaMeyi ngaleso sikhathi
benikaMeyi.
Yeah besika
lawo ngibonisa khona ukuthi ngale kwentaba ukuthi
yeah
so benilapha
kaMeyi endaweni ekuthiwa ikamgwili yabo.
Okay
yeah abantu bayadama uyivele ke basuka khona kaMeyi yabo ngoba
uMeyi ngikwaziyo mina ulo moshama ama speed humps
no uMeyi wonke le ndawo la and ngokomlando but esingawukhuluma ngelinye ilanga kwayile igama elithi Meyi li lined up nesename yakwaDamoy.
Really?
Yeah, no.
Kanjani?
No, amagama abomkhulu bami labo nabomlozana njengakhona isikole ekuthiwa eMlozana lapha kaMeyi. Yeah. Abantu baDamoy abalokho zabafika la kule ndawo.
Sho le ndawo nje kubekwe indawo ebe dominate abantu bakaDamoy
njenganamanje nje sadominate bo.
Okay.
Sadominate nayibona ukubone nalapho mawukhuphuka lapha ka Estamoy mkhulu wami lo kunebhodi ebhaliwe lapha emgaqweni Estamoy yabo.
Nahambelana pha manje lapha endaweni yakini.
Yeah, into yabangela ukuthi sihambe mfethu bokuthi njengisho emgaqo bo i-development bephuwa yabo because at one stage time ala nebus yabo nalo la
nebus
ala nebus yeah even though mina ezinye izinto bezenzeka before mina ngibe khona yabo yeah sengiyazi so like we have a rich history yandawo yaka May yabo yeah and then ngoba ukuthi no masimuvele la ngase town manje yabo because khona
kuthanda ukuba ngcono.
Yeah, kuthanda ukuba ngcono.
Development it's better.
Yeah, kuthanda ukuba ngcono because nesikolo like I think we were walking about 10 km to school.
From lapha lenta.
Yeah, from lenta.
Ukuthi uyele esikole sisanga semgaqweni main road.
Grade 1 bro.
Ngabona lapha.
Bro, it was tough. Yabo. Ngezinto ezifana nalezo and then we decided to move. So lapho sesimove khona ke like itime akube ukuthi sesale emakhaya. Like lizama ukubalance izinto ke manje ukuthi lizobuya selizobuyela la ngakuthina bo sesispend isikhathi neoledi ke manje isikhathi
ni move na iclass neoledi
ithamela sala nosisi wami nobhuti wami mina ngahamba nosisi wami lo engimela yabo sahlala khona and then it started ukuthi i-challenge impilo yabo but mina at that time kukhona kokunye uthola ukuthi like you feel like ukuthi you have something that is paining you yabo but akekho umuntu wake wayenza othola ukuthi ungathi ubukeka la kuyena yabo like mina uyazi ukuthi I was well known ngomculo yabo sisazokhuluma ngalo
phela mwaze nje udume ngawo
kakhulu mfethu noma nanokuthi futhi khona abanye abantu asebephumelela abangaziyo yabo but ke ngeke ukuthi siba mention
so usucofoza
yeah so khuluma izofika kubona yabo mhlambe bazi bani bazongikhumbula yabo sengayidayisa njalo yeah so ngizizwa mfethu ukuthi I know like kuna something yabo but akekho umuntu akayenza yabo like uthola ukuthi noma sihamba ioledi ke belisonta yabo noma siye esontweni
uthola listen
no belisonta nje kula masonto lawa nje yeah I don't want to mention the church yabo
okay
yeah belisonta nje emasontweni yeah uthola ukuthi like I'm young yabo ngaloso sikhathi leso ngiyazi ukuthi ngiyafisa ukucula la esontweni yabo but into enkinga angikaze yabo kucule yabo
kucule bekhona umuntu wake oculayo
ocula like no ukuthi like yabona thina bokunabantu abaziwayo emzimkhulu ukuthi ubona ke bebecula kwabasabancane like uJumbo kanje yabo uJumbo was well known like ekukhuleni kwakho ukuthi this man can sing yabo
uJumbo uyilokhu njana uyi generation yabo bani
generation
because uphambili na
I am not sure ukuthi no uphambili kunami angazi noba mhlawumbe imisebenzi yakhe enza ukuthi abukeka ngathi uphambili kunami yabo yeah kodwa sokuthola ngelinye ilanga lo yeah but bokumuntu nje besimbuka yabo nabo sizwe Mahlawe bona bebedansa abo sizwe kwakhona iqembu labo okuthiwa ama solutions ababedansa kulona nalo lalidumile ngaleso sikhathi emzimkhulu yabo like ngiyithanda lento leni ngiyazazi ukuthi futhi nokujive futhi ngiyawazi uyazi ngijive kakhulu but manje akekho umuntu engiyembukele kuyena yabo ukuthi ngingathi ngiyafisa ukuyenza endaweni yami akekho umuntu enza but mangibeza oJumbo becula futhi kuma culture wakhona ama culture ngaleso sikhathi le yizo ukuthi I wanna do this thing man but paving the way to it angazi ukuthi ngingenza kanjani yabo kwaba ukuthi mase sibuyela ngapha ngaqala ke nami ke manje ngacula isicathamiya into yami uqala ngayicula kwakuyisicathamiya kwakhona ilokhu isikole ngafika kusona eClydesdale yabo
Clydesdale
primary ngafika primary ngangizokwenza ugrade 5 2004 I think yeah mangifika lapha ngifika kucula ichoral music yabo yeah wakhona uMiss okuthiwa uMiss Nguse lapha wayengikhonzile kakhulu yabo ngibona ukuthi nalento ye-choral music inabantu bayo yabo mangifika kuyona ngithi ngidlula ngelinye ilanga ngidlula abacula uMiss Nguse yabo uthi osondele yabo mangisondela kufika kuthiwa mangishaya ama note dero mivasolatido yabo kanti I had a voice yabo mina namanje I think isakhona emlandweni wakhona kulesa sikole la I was the only boy who was singing soprano
khona lapha
khona singing soprano namathekeni yabo mina ngedwa nje umuntu wesilisa olokhuza ocula soprano yabo and then ngabe ngibona ukuthi no there is talent yabo but angazi ukuthi futhi nakhona ngizokwenza kanjani and then impilo yaqhubeka kanjalo kwaba ukuthi sisike Clydesdale ke manje sesihleli khona yeah up until the time alize saqhubeka and then yeah
so because mina ngihlangana nawe into enye into asihlanganisa kakhulu kwakukusonto
yeah
yabona usonto insizwa nje ayinxeko sahlanganisa ukuba
ayinxeko
mina ngihlangana nawe
so uNkulunkulu
ngihlangana nawe kana so inxeko how did you get to because ngihlangana nawe mina bese unje nomfundisi lo konje nomfundisi uNgqongo
yeah
wahlangana kanti like how did you move from umjida or like trying to find your life kule ndawo entsha manje asemzimkhulu edolobheni ufuna ukucula kodwa manje awazi ophawu ungena ngabaphi and then you end up now usuba inceko how did you basically waba inceko kanjani
yeah no phela masifika lapha na into ebeyenziwa nje mawumuntu wesilisa like normal like the society nje bokudlala ifootball yabo yeah bedlala ibhola and then masifika high school ngihlangana nobhuti wakho Lungelo yabo mangithi ngiyabheka lo mjida mfethu ubuye esikolweni yabo uthi bengafunda yabo mina bengisithanda ke story like if you have a story to tell yabo and ngisizwe ukuthi sina something yabo bengisondela kuwena ngikulalela yabo
wase story siyaphila
yeah mina ke bengulo umuntu mfethu like la khona mina khona umsindo la khona mina khona umsindo I mean like even education ngaleso sikhathi yayingavelanga ngokusobala yabo ukuthi ni I want to become like this big thing yabo ukuthi ngingaba udokotela ngingaba yini yabo like thina besifundela nje uthi no uzoqeda umatric mangabe ukuthi uyaqedeka yeah bese uyacela uyalinda obhuti abadala babuye eGoli bakukhuphule yabo umbono bokulo yabo yeah sengisho ukuthi nesikhathi like there was not a lot of motivation ukuthi ubhekane nencwadi yakho like uyitacklishe nje yabo ukubona ukuthi nawe ipotential umuntu uqala ubone sebebona la esecollege ukuthi ayingeke bro yeah naka grade 11 ngithena mangabe sengihlangana nabanye abafethu besifunda nabo bona sebenombono ke yabo khona enye into izwakamiya manje sewudokotela yaphusha kakhulu lensizwa sasike sishiye esikoleni ngolwesihlanu ize siyibone seqhamuke sesiyodlala ibhola ngomgqibelo ekseni buye esikolweni
hayibo
ipush ithi ufuna ukuba udokotela udokotela manje la eLekhosini King Dinuzulu
hayibo so ifunde from Friday
yeah ngebe singenile ngo 7:30 ngo Friday ifunde masifunda
masiphume ngoduke ibise esikoleni yona neze niyibona the following day seniyodlala ibhola iphume esikoleni dedication
yeah lapho ke namagwinya agcwele ufake 25 litre ukuthi izowadla isonto lonke ayiziloko distractor izinto zokubheka focus very focus
lento ibizwa ngefocus because yabona once wakhipha ama distractions njenganokupheka ukuthi cause phela yazi umqondo wakho uma kumele uthatha ama decisions amaningi uyakhathala so uma uthatha decision ukuthi ngizophekana namhlanje angipheki ngizoyithatha phi into ukuthi ngizogqokana mosha wakho isonto lonke phela decide that igwinyo yahle
yeah even though singese singene lapho like yabona abantu abawenza kanjalo wawubona ukuthi so ubona manje ukuthi ni if lo muntu wayecabanga ngalendlela wayecabanga ngayo sibangaka usho wayesevele sedip
yeah kuthatha isikhathi ucabanga kanje yamfethu
kuthatha isikhathi and then ke kwaba ukuthi manje lo mjida wakini lokho introducer ke le ndaba yesonto nani yabo my introducer I remember ngathi I know awuthi ngibe inceke manje yabona mfethu ngishintshe indlela zami yabo but nginabantu abaningi ecycling yami yabo and mabe baningi ngikhumbula kwakuzingelwa ke ekhaya and manje maye wakuzingelwa nje kuzingelwa ngesonto phela yabo and futhi ngiyeza ukuthi ubunsizwa bami buzoba weak manje ukuthi ngiyesontweni ngesikhathi sokuzingela yabo ingiyazo ukuthi and yazi ke mawusasanda kusindisa bro everything is paining yabo ufuna ukuphatha iBhayibheli ubadlula abajida bakho mfethu
ngegama lika Jesu
yabo uya declare yonke into yabo ngiyesontweni ngasonto Faith Mission but Faith Mission Faith Mission they were very strict yabo and futhi la runwa abantu abadala most of the time yabo uthola ukuthi this vibe enginayo anginayo yabo kwathi kokunye ngaya kamfundisi uNgcongo masifika kamfundisi uNgcongo ngathi ayingeke nayi lento le futhi engiyifisayo
ufuna ingxoxo bese shama tende ngamasi
no ube sa plan ukuthi uzoba namatende yabo bengakaqali nje bese plana nje yonke into bese ayibhala phansi ukuthi kuzokwenzakalana yabo angithi I know let me move with bona because banabantu abaningi abancane yabo yeah
ushiya amakhehle ngabe family
yeah ngishiya abantu abadala ngala yabo mangifika lapha I remember the other day kwakuzabe ufika umfundisi uNcanda yabo imvuselelo inkulu la yabo kwaxa ukuthi worship team ingathi kukhona into abafuna angazi noba like there's a delay nje yabo angazi nami futhi umfundisi uNgcongo kwenzakala kanjani wafo wathi ayizola awukulidela ama chorus la bro mangifika nami mfethu akangazi noba ngiyakwazi ukucula
nje usesebenzisa lokho
usebenzisa lo muntu okhona bro I think that was powerful ngingasho kanjani took it through bro I took it through angazibona uthano lento ikhona yabo
so before then nje wawungazi ukuthi uyakwazi ukucula
no ngangazi ukuthi ngiyakwazi ukucula phela ngaba ngilusa imbuzi nezinkomo ngangicula entabeni yabo kodwa I'm not sure ukuthi ngingakwazi ukufaka abanye abantu ngicule nabanye abantu angazi ngicule nabanye abantu yabo even nako Sunday school yabo ngangibona ukuthi like ngiyafisa ukucula but sokunabantu asebaziwa yabo like church politics yabo kuzocula ingane ka principal yabo mina ngeke ngize ngikwazi yabo ngiyabona ukuthi ibona vele abantu abasekhaleni kunzima nokuthi ngingazama ukuthi ngingathi ngicela ninginikezeni yabo
kubanzima especially moyo ingane nje bakhona ifujele iminyaka lekuvalile into uyafuna ukuyenza kodwa awazi ukwenza kanjani
exactly kwakhona ngithena mangiyena kamfundisi uNgcongo ngaqala ngathola ama compliments manje kubantu ababacula abakhulu yabo ukuthi I know there's something yabo but manje angazi ukuthi ngizoyenza kanjani njengoba ngizoyeka isikole nani yabo ngaqala ngagijima neimvuselelo ke manje gijima neimvuselelo ngafail
uvela ba grade ba
ngafela phela ka grade 11 angifela grade 11 because imvuselelo wanginayo lento ukuthi vele sibe khona ngalesikhathi zama exam vele ne confidence yami is very low manje esikolweni yabo
sure
ila ngisho ukuthi ngahlangana khona nalamajita ke mase ngiphinda grade 11 awaca ukuthi ayine push yabo ngabona ukuthi ayina ukuthi ngihambe nalabantu laba so manje kukabili ke manje yabo kukabili manje ukuthi ngilandela lento yomculo but mangiyilandela kuzofuna ngiye eThekwini ngizofika ngithi ngihlala kubani yabo ayikuthi ekhaya no well focus esikoleni le ndaba yomculo yabo ayisebenzi yabo
yakufelisa
nasesikoleni but ngilo nginikezela ke bro nginikezela ke mangabe ukuthi ngiyalithola ithuba ngawube sesihlangana nani wawubona na ukuthi mfethu ngasokupushwa ngempela ke
la mina mfethu yabona ngihlangana nani engasho kathi la mashita focusile lawo engibona ukuthi hey lana mongena vision mowenza into ubuza ukuthi into uyenzelani mhlawumbe ngathini moke endaweni ukuthi buza ukuthi uyokwenzani lapho mina ucabanga istatement esipowerful ukuvele nje uthi hayi kuthiwa ngize kuthiwa ngenza ukuthi indlela yanifocus yabona wena ulungelo ufola hayi angibona ukuthi khona umshado usizwe lo wase New City
ngambona pasani
ngathi sangibona ukuthi yabona ngivele ngifisa
ivangeli lalifikile ngaleso sikhathi
lalifikile ivangeli lapho hawo sesagijimela kodwa ke into engangithanda ukuthi yes babeshisa ngapha ngakwivangeli kodwa nawo ukufocus indaba ye-success yabona i-success nje yazi ukuthi nje hamba phambili kuyaphusha kuyafundwa ama-pass ayikho into ababehlonipha njalo nama-pass exam papers kwagudla ngawo kuphela
ya ngithi ngiyacabanga ukuthi namanje sangawathola ama-pass exam papers mangawubheka lela khala
2006 2007 2008 ukhupho kanjani iphasa memorandum lapha avela ulungela athi nje baba hayi emva kwaloko kayo athi nje washaya la hayi uqedile.
Kwaba ukuthi ke mfethu sengiyaphuma kanjalo ke entweni yokucula ngingasayilandela kakhulu. And enye into engangiyenza kakhulu ngangimsiya kakhulu ke ngaleso sikhathi. Emishadweni yabo enkonzweni zabantu abasha. Yeah, ngangimsiya kakhulu nje ngaleso sikhathi leso because ngangikwazi ukuthi like ngangikwazi ukucula ama-genre amaningi yabo. Ngangikwazi ukucula ama-genre amaningi but there was no coaching yabo konke engangikwenza
ukuthi into kanje yenziwa kanje. Ngoba ngihlangana nawe esontweni nje bokuthi mawukhona ngibona ukuthi hayi kumnandi ke namhlanje. And ngiyakhumbula kodwa lesikhathi lesi ukuthi angazi ukuthi ke ama timeline yawo didanisa ngoba njengoba ngitshela ukuthi ngikhumbula impilo ibheda uhlala lapha kusikhona wakho kodwa futhi ngiphinde ngikhumbule ushaya ukotile esontweni uqonda wenza yonke into vele khona umjida imali walokho kunjani washaya grade 11 wawufela wabese waphinda wathi matric after matric wahamba eGoli.
No, ngaqala ngithi la eMkungundlovu College ngenza N1 N2 N1 N2 and then ngabe sengaye eGoli ngakwenza N3 eGoli Ellis Park. Yeah.
Then wabesumo wabuye eGoli waqala emakhaya before
emakhaya ngozi ngangibona ukuthi like ama finances awahambi kahle. NSFAS wasema college ngaleso sikhathi uyakhumbula ufana naloko ukuthi khona imali ezongenela nje we account wayephokhela ama fees wakho nje kuphela. Yabo ngabona ukuthi no manje because I can qualify to do an apprenticeship yabo ngathi okay let me search umsebenzi yabo ngahlala emakhaya yabo ngaze ngarasta ke manje yabo sengihlala emakhaya mangihlala emakhaya ngaphinde ngabona ukuthi let me go back to church yabo. Vele bengisonta but ngisho ukuthi to give that full force enganginikeza ekuqaleni. So wena ngoba ngibona nje ngilokhuza ngididela ukotini kanje mangifikile like imvuselelo ngangifika ngibe uMC emvuselelweni yonke yabo. Masiqede lo mvuselelo like abazalwane balolu bandla lelo like mhlambe bazongithatha bangise esitolo bangithengela impahla all out yabo kunike yabo. So sengibona nami ukuthi ish nami ngibona confidence seyaba khona ke manje yabo.
Yasebenza le yenza
yasebenza but manje ama finances ngiyawadinga bro yabo. Apprenticeship angithola mfethu
ayivo
ukuthi angazi noma ngisithashe in the story ukuthi ni kwakukhona la sasike sofuna iapprenticeship ukhona ngitshela ukuthi yasambe sibantu masofike sofuna apprenticeship afika thathu engisala.
Siyaza kusona. And then fast forward sesihamba ke Mzimkhulu because ke ngahlangana nawe Mzimkhulu ngaphepha lalela ke njengoba ngicela ukuthi mina mfethu I always believed ukuthi I'm an educator. Mina mfethu ka grade 12 ngangisengikwazi ukufundisa grade 11 grade 10 and ngawashaya abemaths ngiyabafundisa nje yonke into ibe grade. So I always knew ukuthi I have to be an educator kumele ngibe uthisha kahle. So ngiya ePep ngiyosebenza ePep ngilinde ukuthi kuphela unyaka sengivele ngiapplyela ukuthi ngiyowenza education ngiyofunda ngiyowenza education. Yilapho phela ngihlala ngana nawe lapha sikhona ungitshela ukuthi hayi khohlwa education asabuse respect so it's engineering. Ngithi mina usho kanje akekho umuntu owayinxusa le engineering i-mechanics njengoLungelo mfethu ayivela ngivulela ifoni athi buka lo muzi ngithi mangubheka lo muzi kupakile lapha i-convertible upaka imoto phezulu garage phezulu athi lo muntu lo kawenza engineering ku-mechanic. Ngithi hayi shuthi ke lento engcono lapho ke ngenza njani ngahlangana nawe uzokhuphuka ubuyele eGoli mina ngize la eMaritzburg. Ngafika la eMaritzburg kuLungelo ngafika ngashawa N1 ngashawa N2 mangizothi N3 wakufika nawe ngafikisana nawe saqala ke manje la saqala khona ke
kwazana kahle
sesila eMaritzburg. Sasana kahle lapho sesila eMaritzburg sazi ukuthi siyaphusha ayimfana entertainment yalapha la sihlala khona iRes la icommune esihlala kuyona hayi uyiphethe yonke.
No abantu ngangihlezi ngibathanda abantu mfethu nanokuthi nje kujatshule like la ngikhona kwakuyinto yami yabo. Kwakuyinto yami ngihlezi nje kuhlewa la ngikhona even namanje bro. La ngikhona
kodwa ngikubone ngoDisemba man ayabona wathi mokhuphuka nazizo zasemzimkhulu lapha egarage lapha engabona ukuthi hayi usayiphethe lento lesegazini la
nako kokunye ke mfethu okunye kwekwenzeka like njengasokumanje yabo sembona ukuthi like khona lento kuthiwa inkunzi isemathuleni yabo. When you are doing introspection, like you're checking yourself, your upbringing, ukuthi like what is it that you were good at yabo. Uyathola ukuthi ayingeke lento lana mhlambe bokumele ngiyinikeze attention yabo. Cause manje bese MC izokuza like lemicimbi yasemakhaya ke manje uMasikhandi yabo. Ngibona ukuthi hayi ngeke mfethu nale ndaba kaMasikhandi nakhona ngiyayibiza ingoma la mfethu abantu bashiya amabhodi bebuye besondela. Yabo. Yeah, ngaqala ngeze ukuthi angeke mfowethu angeke ukhona yabo. Nanokuthi ngithena mase ngiseThekwini like kukhona inye hostel okuthiwa ise17 lapha nagcwele insizwa zakoZulu ke lapha yabo. Yabona ngezizwe ezibiza ngithi ha othi ke ngibize nami ingoma yabo. Mase ngiyibiza ngibona ukuthi hayi no siyabuza ukuthi lensizwa yabo iqhamuka kuphi yabo indlela ebiza ngayo yabo ngabe ngibona ukuthi hayi no which means there's something yabo. There's something, it's just that ke mhlambe ngesikhathi esiright
kuyenzeka. Yeah, cause ngiyakhumbula ke sesila eMaritzburg sisonda lapha eTrue Vine kulokhu nondaba ukuthi there was a time la khona sozojoina i-worship team sengibona ukuthi hayi lento le la abantu abahlala phansi yashaya ke manje sikwaziwa labesondeni sizokwaziwa ngibona ukuthi hayi lento le yayishaya ingoma. Yeah, ngoba kwakuyi quality ye-worship team, quality. Yabona mfana, yabona one of the things ezazenza ukuthi ngibona ukuthi ngisonda la eTrue Vine man ayingoma mfana
worship team nakhona futhi nakhona kwenzeka same thing efana nale eyenzeka lapha nakamfundisi uNgqongo ukuthi like i-worship team ayikho yabo. Bangifika lapha ngafika kuyinkonzo yabantu ye-student kwayinkonzo ye-student yabo. Mina ngabe ngethembakalanga ke bro. Kwasekhulekeni wami mina umuntu bebengangethembi bro. Ayitshele le ndoda lo.
Indaba bakathi.
Angazi mfethu ukuthi why ukuthi nami ngimfishane yabo mhlawumbe ngasitsho kanjani.
Umuntu vela akweye.
Mfethu khulunywe nomlondo thene indoda sisize la yabona sinelokhu sine-student nana
umlondo lapho
yabo usisize sifuna umuntu that can lead songs yabo. Athi umuntu ayithathanda insizwa le angibona ukuthi hayi babona ukuthi hayi shoot uyabachitha. Shoot uyabachitha yabo. Shoot uyabachitha. Ngiye kuthiwa also shy quick rehearsal. Bro, I gave a performance lapha. Gave a performance lapha na wakhona ukuthi like uzoqala uculela ichoir and then bese worship team. That performance it took me straight to the main worship team. But bebezokhipha i-album ngaleso sikhathi and kwaba ukuthi sengiyashifta manje ngegoli yabo. Yasala yaphuma i-album.
Wena kwenzeka lento leyo kuzokhishwa i-album.
Sizovala ikolo ukuthi masivala ikolo mase sengibuyela egoli.
Uyapha egoli wazala egoli.
Bro, egoli. Ama-financial problems. Ama-financial problems ayiphazamisile ijeni yami yokufunda kakhulu. Yeah, and that can be emotional mangabe ngikuchazela ukuthi if izinto zazenzeka kahle I was gonna do izinto ngendlela engcono. Yeah. There's a lot of emotional story kuleyo nto leyo ukuthi why I changed to ukuya eGoli. Yabo. But if I can highlight you mfethu angithi usakhumbula sesibuyele eMzimkhulu mina ngasala sibuya siza la eMaritzburg anginamali yazwa and saze sagibela umfundisi uZondi
hamba ngestruck lakhe lelincane
ngestruck lakhe elincane ngalozo sikhathi ngalozo sikhathi umfowabo ulokhuzi unathi yeah masifika lapha siyazi ukuthi mayiphuma khona uza la eMaritzburg shuthi ngibuyele esikolweni anginalo nesent uyezwa anginayo ires njengoba ngibuyele esikolweni but I know ukuthi manje sengikhathele ukuhlala emakhaya ngiyabuya yabo because mangiyegoli ngangitshela ukuthi ama finances azoba ngcono mhlawumbe ngathola into engayenza part time so mangibuyele emakhaya ngibone mfethu ukuthi ayingeke impilo mfethu seyangimboza manje sengiphuphana amaphupha amabi ayike mfethu ngibuyele esikoleni so siye esontweni elokhuze ne Rock of Ages masiye esontweni Rock of Ages kanti umfundisi uZondi uzoba ne-meeting yabo nathi sebenzise wisdom lapha sethi I know asithi ahlale endaweni esithile kwenza singazi umpressurize mase iphuma mase iphuma that time we were praying bro yabona lokhuza i-prayer was the source of our strength yabona simasiphuma ayasigibelise athi nozo zosibeka lapha eplaces le yabo mangifika eplaces le but angazi ukuthi ngizolala kuphi yabo kusakhumbula ukuthi sathi masifike egate kwakukhona security lalikhona lapha lavela vuwa abantu abadala sanibingelela kwathi lajuluka amanzi lajuluka amanzi lakhishwa akhulula amashethi lahlalisa esihlalweni la lilo liphefumulile engasho ukuthi sizenenkinga hayi kwathi no maliphuma emsebenzini kwafonela omunye umuntu ozozo relief yabo so masifika lapho wabona ke na mfethu it was difficult ngikhumbula mfethu ukuthi nje to fast forward the story wakhona enye insizwa yale elokhuzeni bese inkosi wavuma le elokhuzeni ngwavuma insizwa leyo mfethu ngiyafisa ukuthi ngiphinde ngiyibone mfethu yadlala ibange elikhulu empilweni yami
so laphana because lapha kube kunama res ngiyakhumbula ukuthi masibuya mina ngangivele nginayo res ngangene res then wena wawungenayo
ngangenayo phela mina ngiyafika manje yabo
kwamele ukuthi wenze njani squad
kwamele ukuthi ngisquad
uza ngisakhumbuli kahle because mangikhumbula iplace 11 ngikhumbula insimbi la ngashaya khona insimbi strong place
mangifika eplaces le ngifike khona insimbi vele ngangikuthanda ukujima
ngiyakhumbula wena wakwamela usquad wawungalala empetela lomshidalo la ulokuzana la empetela lomshidalo la egcineni kwakubala
umshidalo lokhuzo qiniso
lo mshidalo ola egcineni lo Oscar
ngangila bangishiftela khona ke empedeni
Oscar
ngilala ngengubo
Oscar ngobani awuvumelekile ukuthi bese res squathini and awukwazi nokuyopha ekitchen ukudlo
ngidla ngo10 ebusuku mina
ngoba uzanyelwa olomshidalo sebenza ekitchen sevala ekitchen yokulethela ukudla
wakuthatha evela ukudla akuphake ngolokho ngo4 kg lo ice cream yazi ukuthi mina mangidla lokho kudla lokho ngizokudla ngibese ngiyagcina ukuthi ngizophinde ngishaye futhi yabo because ngidla ngo10 futhi ngakusasa yabo lapho ngisquatile imali engikwazi ukuthi ngiyibe nayo nasekhaya ngifuna lo ngibabalisela ngento eyiningi yabo ukuthi ni like ama difficulties nani yabo ukuthi no lesimo lesi sisibhekene nazo manje
yabo ufuna ukwenza bese ubonda lesi sibhekene nazo
ukuthi ngabe ubu stressana nabantu abasekhaya bro
nawazi kahle ukuthi nabo vele uthi abathini
yabo sikhona i-time elaligada ke lapha yabo ukhabazela mayisigadisa asho time mfana imali engizoyidinga kuwena ulokhuza u150
ngenyanga ukuthi
usquatile yabo and nawe sozohamba phela wena wani wazi abantu lapha sozongishiya manje sozohamba yabo le time ngithi shoot njoba ngiba no200 monthly ngizosala no50 phela manginikeza lo
every month imali ethola 200
manje kumele bakhona wona abanye abantu ababefuna ukungisiza but ubona ukuthi they are not sure ukuthi bangisize noma bangangisizini but angifuni ukufaka abantu abaningi yabo kulesimo lesi yabo ngikwakunzima bro yabo mangilokhuza ubaba umkhizo angilokhuze ngibona ukuthi ngeke time nginikeze imali wokuqala yabo ngithi ngeke le time leli ngiyaliqopha manje shange siqopha manje inkulumo seyikhuluma endlini ngiyayiqopha ngifuna ukuthini manje ku threat nisho ukuthi maka wangikhokhisa le mali nginyongeza
ngededela level
ngededela bo manje nama was discipline bro shine insimbi one way isikole insimbi one way isikole insimbi one way isikole lo mjitha nawe uyangiphakela ngalendlela ngiphakela ngayo kahle mina ngidinga imali kangako kuya esikolweni ngibuye endlini ngibese ngiyajima ngibese ngiyafunda kuphela yiloko engikudingayo nje kuphela Sunday ngiye esontweni ngoba bro esontweni ke kwakune staff wayesinikeza sona kumfundisi unathi like as a student yabo into wayikunikeza ayikwazi ukuthi kusustain for the whole week yabo because I used to walk from a place layer to town eBetri Center Can you imagine how many kilometers lapho? Yabo but ngibona ukuthi no, I would be filled for the whole week yabo.
Because uyayifuna
ngiyafuna that motivation, ngiyafuna lawo mazi, ngiyafuna like lento ezongiqinisa yabo.
Sure.
Then ngihlale la kule res le. Makuyizi month end yazi vele lithini le time lethi yazi mfana awungihluphi ngalutho, ziyahlupha ingane le res. Vele ukhohlwe ngalindaba ukukhokha imali monthly. Cabanga isiqopha sami ngabe ngasifaka delete. Ngikopile ngayifaka delete mfethu, ngahlala ngithena mangibhala iexam yami because ngaleso sikhathi ke ngase ngijijelile ukuthi hayi yabona manje sengiyafunda one way bro. If kufanele ngifunde ngizoba uprofessor, ngifunda ngizoba uprofessor yabo. Bavele bangifonele bro bangifonela ngathi ngilimention igama lenkampani. Yeah. Bangifonela kahano and bangifonela bathi i-scam yabo.
Usho about scam man?
No, ngicabanga ukuthi uHayne ngangingawazi ngaleso sikhathi.
Yeah.
But ngikhumbula ukuthi uHayne kodwa into ekhona because ngikhumbula ngelinye ilanga kamakhelwane kuzodilizwa ihlabathi yabo. Ukhala u-reverse buzz yabo. I-already lithi ayibo wakhala ngathi uHayne lento ekhala kubuye lelo gama yabo ukuthi uHayne ngone into ekhona.
Sure.
Yeah. Then ngilokhuza ngiyeke khona ku-interview ngikhumbula nakhona ngangenayo imali yokugibela nganikezwa yena umlondi yabo but wathi uzokwazi uku-afford ukuthi imali ukuthi ngihike ngeke ngikwazi ukugibela erank yabo. Ngahamba ngaya ku-interview and then yonke into yahamba kahle and then I started working
la ePinetown.
Yeah, ePinetown.
Yeah. Ukushifta kwakho from elokhunjaneni ukushifta kwakho from PMB ePinetown.
ePinetown.
Yeah. Mfethu uyabona masongibekela ama struggles ebesibhekana nawo especially financially.
Because cabanga lapho selukuphathama lapho sasibhala i-mechanotechnics. Sibhala i-mechanotechnics. Ngikhumbula ngajela ukuthi iphepha ngizolibhala in 1 hour because I'm rushing my interview yabo. Insizwa invigilator yakuyiyona esifundisa lokho. Ngibuza ukuthi indaba uxhesheka lephi kangaka yabo.
Yabo relax ubhale kahle.
Ngabe ngiyarelax ngibhala kahle. But ama results wami ngakukhombisa ngelinye ilanga. Lo mechanic ngathola 77% in 1 hour. If ngangihlalile kahle ngangamtholi because sasi dedicated ngaleso sikhathi sibuye kwesibili esikoleni sasi dedicated kakhulu bro.
Ukuthi ngifuna ukubuyela kancane lapha 21 ezakhiphe 21.
Yeah.
Zakhiphe 21.
Cool.
21 silaphana mina personally ngiyayikholela angina girlfriend nje ngiright. Hayi uthi ngiright sengisho ukuthi angibheke emoto. But kwabo ukuthi ke khona ingane engididisayo ngabe into eyayithanda lengane mfethu. Kodwa anginayo into le ngoba ngiyakholwa ngiyafunda futhi anginamali anginankinga nje kodwa manje ngibhekayo izingane ziyayithela nje la bona ziyayithela zenza nje
Yeah, bro
yini eqinisa lapha ukuthi ingane zithi zikwela kanje kodwa ube nokuthi hayi cha awuzubamba umuntu like awuzuba namuntu.
Yeah, mina ngangazi ukuthi wayekwenzela nje mina was a social person yabo. Like mina mangikhuluma nomuntu like ngangi-engage like uzidiscover ezinye izinto ngawe yabo. Yeah, but bro nganginako ukuthi angeke ngikwazi ukuthandana nomuntu yabo. Yes, ngase nginawo lokhuza my wife singakhuluma nange
so bengifuna lapho okay mina into eyenza ukuthi ngingabinantombi ukuthi number 1 ngenamali, number 2 ngangikhola, number 3 ngibusiness school. So wena wawunayo i-element yokuthi hayi vele nginomuntu emakhaya.
Yeah, ngangazi ukuthi nginayo umuntu emakhaya engimethembisile like nayo owenze ama sacrifices for mina yabo. 2 well of course udinga ukuthi ubalance ngezinto eziningi yabo. 2 ngangibona ukuthi mfethu I can't afford ukuba nomuntu wesifazane yabo. I can't afford umuntu wesifazane but masomchazela futhi umuntu wesifazane mangabe ukuthi seniyakhuluma la ukuthi ayingeke mfethu it's going to be difficult ukuthi manje siyabo because you will have a pressure ukuthi now vula na uJanuary now Valentine's and then I don't have ubopahi nani yabo angina ama flowers yabo ngibona ukuthi I know izosokolisa umuntu nje like let's just enjoy ukuba around yabo. Yeah.
Indlela ama difficulties esihlangabezane nawe asishaye ngayo mina personally angishaye ngayo ngathini I tried to heal from them you know to ukuthi ngizidevelop as a person and ngisho ukuthi okay into eyenzeka kumina neyenzekile kumina kwakufanele yenze ngoba nakuyenzekile and I'm grateful ukuthi yenzeka ngoba phela ingenze ngabo lo muntu enguyena njengamanje. But I feel like even though I've worked so much on myself, there are still like some kind of insecurities enginawo but engawabuild up kulama struggles engangibhekana nawo. So do you think when you're in your life right now, do you still have insecurities or uzwayo ukuthi okay I'm insecure but A, B and C, maybe it's because of how I grew up, it's because of A no B owenzeka kumina?
Yeah, for sure azoba khona uyabo. Because if bowenzeke ngenye indlela for sure bokuzoba ngenye indlela.
No, but when a personal, do you have insecurities kanjalo ubona ukuthi akhona insecurities obona ukuthi hayi sengadila nala ngisenankinga nalento le. But ukhona ubona ukuthi asangishaya manje.
Mhlawumbe ungenzela umzekelo.
For example, myself ngathini mina growing up because I had nothing, so I used to be undermined a lot to a point ukuthi having a girlfriend was a task, it was difficult, man, because I was ashamed of who I am, and I knew what I have a very low self-esteem because I knew what anginalutho angithatha into yabo. So manje I wouldn't say ukuthi manje ke phela ngi-rich, angikho rich vele, but I afford like
ngiyakwazi
ukuphila happy, ngihustle, ngihustle and nginezinto engizonayo mfethu ngiyabona. So kunento engingayifuni ngami kodwa kunzima ukuthi ngiyinqobe, for example, and ngabona ukuthi no i-insecurity engayibuild up ngalesikhathi ngistructure manje isikhona, aseke isidingo sakho ukuthi sikhona. Example, angithandi ukuthi mfethu mina just because mhlawumbe nginale watch leli smart watch sengizoflexa ngalo yabo, sengizoflexa ngalo ukuthi okay uthi ngibabheke lapha ku WhatsApp bathini ngiyaqhelaza okanye okay let me make a typical example into yenze izolo. Izolo ila ngikhumbule khona ukuthi angiyifuni lento and ivele yenzeke ngisho ukuthi yenzeka futhi straight after yenzekile ngisho ukuthi yes I don't want to be like that. So izolo sikhuluma ngendaba yama savings ukuthi since kuJanuary umuntu kumele khona umshito besike gym siphuma egymini khona umshito khuluma ngokuthi unescope sakho 5 liter ufaka imali lapho. I was doing that last year, January. And omnye umjida wala wasihamba na uyazi ngangiyenza leyo nto kodwa uyazi ukuthi leyo mali ngayivula ngo-October.
So ngibangela
effect ayisezogcwala yabo. So sikhulume lo athi lo mjida lona hey ungayivuli ke nawe njengalozuku uzukuyivula ngo-October last year yakhe. Bese mawusho kanjalo uyayidlalela mfethu. Ngivele ngilo konjani ngathi ngivele ngiyatriggerisheka yabo, but not ukuthi ngizoba aggressive, but ngizoba nayo defensive ethile and ngibe na ukufuna ukuyikhulumela, even though fethu lento leyo it's a joke. Ungayihlekela nje ukuthi lento leyo ngagcina imali yami ngayidla imali yami, but ngaba nokuthi hayi phela into yenza ukuthi ngiyivule mina. Khumbula ngaleso sikhathi ngo-October ngangithenga iflat and ngangilungisa iveni, ngizama ukuveza ukuthi hayi I'm owning a flat ngine-van, but straight after ngisho leyo nto futhi ngiyasho ukuthi there was no need, man. And lento leyo it's building up, it's an insecurity that I have ukuthi abantu bahleli bengithatha kancane, but sometimes mayenzeka mangijigashare ngifuna ukuveza ukuthi ungangithathi kancane nginento ukuthi, but I hate that, man, because it's so weak mindset. I don't like that. So those are kind of insecurities. Do you feel like that sometimes? Do you have things like that?
No, I think ukujula kwempilo ma ups and downs iyona angivolva yabo. Angivolva ukuthi izinto ezikanjalo. I mean like mina njengoba ngisho ukuthi like I was underrated ngisho noma ngabe yini eyenzakalayo.
Bengifuna ukubona lento leyo ukuthi because I know ukuthi makwenzeka into ezikanjalo for a long time lento leyo iyayenza ingathini isilonda ngaphakathi kuwena esigcina sesi manifesta as like an insecurity okanye usuphila. Because mina lento bengiyenza I realized ukuthi no, I've built it's a defense mechanism ukuthi mosho kanje should ngithatha kancane abantu abalapha ngithatha kancane, let me like defend myself ngokuthi ngiyabona into kanjalo.
No, ingishayile because ezintweni eziningi bengithanda ukumemuva yabo, namanje sakingishayile lonto leyo ukuthi I mean like with the understanding that I have manje yabo ukuthi why you are standing at the back yabo, and then only to find ukuthi later kuthiwa noyazi ukuthi wena esikudingayo yabo.
Oh yeah.
So ngiyakuthanda ukuba semuva yabo. Kunjani nokuthi ukuthi nginani ubona so ubona yabo ukuthi yeah, even though like it's small things but ubona so ubona ukuthi no he's doing well yabo. But ngiyakuthanda ukuba semuva yabo. Ngiyakuthanda ukuba semuva. I think yenye izinto eyangenza ukuthi I never fought for my talent. I never fought for my talent yabo. Talent lami lokucula azange ngilwele. Ngisho ubone kukhona ukuthola ukuthi umuntu uyasho ukuthi you have something, then you need to follow up yabo ukuthi ngingenza kanjani ukuze ngilokhuza yabo. Like mase ngibona like oJumbo kanje, like abantu engibengimaza nje, that man he fought for his talent bro. He left emzimkhulu ebhekela abantu nani njengoba sombona nje sombona manje. Yeah, he fought for his talent yabo. Mina bengithusta lona ukuthi lizozenzela umsebenzi. Mangabe ukuthi yabo ukuthi there's something, then come yabo, let's talk yabo. Yeah, if not, which means I'm not good enough yabo. Yabo, but njalo mangukuthi like there's performance, like ngibona ukuthi abantu basho ukuthi bro yabo, but ngingazi ukuthi kumele ngenze kanjani.
Wenza kanjani? Yeah, hey, talking about umuntu olwela umuntu lengibonayo vele ngembheke ngibona lo mshilo lwele talent lakhe. Usizwe. Angithala ufight bhaka.
Kakhulu.
Yes, ngicabanga ukuthi from emzimkhulu mfethu, how can you end up being an actor? From emzimkhulu. Phela emzimkhulu we have a lot of disadvantages, bro. Language, exposure, yonke into leyo. But today he's doing the things, man. But yeah, people like that, abantu like really fought for their talent. Yeah, but no, ngiyakuzwa mfethu, ngiyakuzwa.
Buka nje brand yakhe manje like umzimkhulu. Ngikhumbula senze ikipa ibhale bhaca.
Ezoqala.
Ngibona ukuthi mfethu asitrend sona kodwa the painting is peeling off. But look at his brand man.
But then I say improve because ngathenga isweater nehoodie again. I think 2020 2020.
Yeah.
And it's quality yabo manje.
Quality.
And that was 2020. Sebe manje just khuluma manje. It's even like it's on another level. In fact,
and futhi yakude yakhona brand le.
Ufuna ngibe ambassador very soon nje ngizobe ngi-ambassador. Sengivele sengiqale nje ngqusela manje.
I know umsebenzi maqhubeka.
Umsebenzi maqhubeka. I know mfethu enye into engifuna sikhulume ngayo namhlanje I wanted to touch base. I know ukuthi uyaba powerful when it comes to into zothando kanje yabo. I think mainly because I think you were exposed into you falling in love, in love you were very like ngathi when we were in tertiary sasibancane ukuthi ungaze ube I always felt like alenza lena is in love kanendlela lefethu kanjani kwaphela manje asikabe badala ngaleyo ndlela. I know ukuthi ilokho njana because of that gave you a lot of experience to understand uthando.
Yeah.
To understand ama relationship, to understand ukuthi umuntu osifazana umphatha kanjani yabo. But into engibona yenzakalayo kakhulu nje manje, especially like I wouldn't say KZN, I would say like globally, ukuthi amajita don't know how much to ngathini ngaqala ngithi how to invest emntwini wesifazane and how much you should go in terms of investing emntwini wesifazane. Yayibona yonto. Especially uthola ukuthi uzohlangana nomuntu wesifazane but wena ukwenye level yena ukwenye level. So example ngalo mshita lo ebe ngathi relationship yakho ubesh uyamazi besh.
Ngeke ngezwe ngaye but angisazi story zakhe.
Yeah, ubesh bebe ne open relationship nje nomuntu wakhe lapha, especially TikTok, X, Facebook lapha into ezikanjalo. Open relationship ukuthi yonke into niyenzayo njengabantu abathanda nayo iyabonakala ku social media into ezikanjalo. And izistory ke zithi amahemhem athi lo mjida wahlangana lengane isiqubuke le ngane yashisa isiqubu. Yeah, no iqiniso vele ngisho lezo.
Ngathi ngiyasibona leso story leso. Yeah.
Lo mjida ke mase ngibona lapha ko tweet ukuthi wahlangana lengane mfethu iwaitress.
Yeah. Ngeke ngasizwa le story khuluma ngase. Yeah.
Thatha lengane lo mjida ubese grand.
Yeah.
Thatha lengane lo mjida wayikhiphe pub wahlala naye flatini yonke into mangezwa. Wayenza yaba grand ingane to a point ukuthi wa investor kuyona, to a point ukuthi wayifaka lo school.
Yeah.
Wayifaka lo school nje wayipushisa inikeza ama allowance bephila nje impilo ubone ukuthi hayi abantu bayaphila grand ngoba yena lo mjida ugrand. Wa investor kanjalo apha lengane my graduate izoba yiathini yavele yachitha ekushitheni kwayo yakhulela angikhohlwa ukuthi lo kwenzekile because bengekho statement kodwa ngizwe ukuthi yakhulela mayiseza nomshida kwamele ukuthi ke manje ayabahlukana and then apparently ke ngabona enye video lomshida lona uneveni I think iRanger limnyama eleli lapha ebhuthini nje angazi nobe ekhala nobe kwenzela ukuthi uzothatha i-ambulance into ezikanjalo but my point is of course that is very unfortunate for him kodwa I think inkinga esinayo sonke ukuthi we don't know as guys ukuthi how to invest into lesifazane and how far you willing to go to a point ukuthi amajida invest into lesifazane ebese amenza into lesifazane abelento lokuthi impilo yakho manje doesn't make sense outside them because they've invested their finances, their emotions, lot of things to this person. Then lo muntu leyo mayiqala mayiflopa impilo yakho we manje isiphelile ke siyama so point ukuthi abantu bagcina sebenza into ezingekho right so that's basically what happened to that guy. So what do you think about that?
Yeah, but you can't blame the guy because like kwenzekile like bamchithelile ne bamchithelile but I believe ukuthi ne umuntu okanjalo like that guy angeke azashone phansi if engakhumbula amandla wakhe yabo angeke azashone phansi because like yena ufit kunogela ufit kanjani because uyena ubuyena obehlela indlela ukuthi kube khona indlela yabo and I mean like uzozixolela because ayikho into wrong ayenzile but I think umuntu ozosafarisha kakhulu ulo owenze into wrong yabo because at the end of the day angeke uzuhlale nomuntu isikhathi eside kangaka kanti like ayikho into esenhlizweni yakho yabo and manje uyosifaka i-competition enzima la yakhona because kuzomela ukuthi a-compare izinto yabo I mean like so lo umuntu anaye manje like umbona because manje usenjengoba nalendlela senze which is wenziwe lo munye ulomjida lo ubash ne so umbone sembona kulo perspective
kule package lesinhle manje
but kukhona la ezoba khona nama problems khona afisa ukuthi if bokubash bengayi-understand le if angi-understand ngimuntu okanja manje mase kanje ube ngangi-understand even better uyabo
but yeah, mina ke honestly ngiyayigxeka insizwa I mean ngiyayinuka le nto lena ngoba ngathini okay angibuze kanje number 1 do you support indaba yokuthi momjida uthola ithekeni uyasebenza uthola ithekeni efunda uyifundise uinvest financially kuyona kanjalo uzohlangana nayo uyifundise wenze yonke into until is right? Do you support that?
Yeah, for sure because that goes with the trust
as well. Okay ngiyayigxeka le nto leyo mina ngizokubonisa ukuthi ngigxeka kanjani ukuthi yazi iflop esiyenzayo ezabonoma ukuthi you do those things to a point where you forget ukuthi umuntu lo yabo anginankinga ukuthi mina mfethu ingane mhlawumbe uhlangana naye i-varsity uyayifundisa wenza yonke into but ekwenzeni kwakho lo nto leyo angingabi ukuthi because you expecting something.
Sikhuluma ngecherry noma sikhuluma ngonkosikazi?
Sikhuluma ngethekeni. Lapha lesi sikhuluma
ngethekeni. Okay.
Phela once wabe nkosikazi different story.
Yeah, sure.
Different story nkosikazi. Ithekeni, sikhuluma ngethekeni because manje sikhuluma ngethekeni, sikhuluma ngomuntu lana osengathi mawubohlangana naye enze second year, osengathi mayiqala manje somfundisile wenza yonke into. Mayiqala ba grand. Abona ukuthi manje awusekho kwi-league yakhe manje yabo wena umakhenika yena manje uyilona yabo wena umakhenika manje yena uinjinela yabo leyo nto so ngikhuluma ngalokho ukuthi guys shouldn't do that not because it's a bad thing but because automatically umjida mayenza lento leyo uba nama expectations athi ukuthi lo muntu ungasangishiya kodwa umuntu phela umuntu yabo
ayikho into ebhalwe phansi
akho contract anishadile yabo so rather stop doing it because lento le yanhlula that is why amajida agcina umuntu esekhipha isibhawu esebulala umuntu esekhipha umbese esebulala why because they invested so much that they expected a lot from this person if you want to do it but make sure ukuthi you're not expecting anything uyenza ngoba into bongayenzela nengane kamakhelwane ungathi uyenza umuntu lesifazane because ulindele ukuthi lo muntu lo uzaba uma wengane zakho ulindele lo muntu lona uzoba usofa silahlane wakho nayo into engayitshela manje ukuthi lo muntu futhi iflop ayenzile ukuthi zonke into azenzele lengane abesabe nama expectation ukuthi hayi lengane le yabo uqondile but when we talking about ke umuntu uyilokhu njani unkosikazi different story ke le lapho uzo investor endlini ekhaya so wakho umuzi lapho so wakho umuzi lapho
yeah so mawukuthi uyabona ukuthi like umuntu wesifazane there is potential, it's just that ngenze nishade ngaleso sikhathi leso kodwa uyabona ukuthi let's grow together yabo and then sabe sesihlanganisa izinto phezulu
ukuthi ke mina ke I might be wrong, there's something I hate about abantu besifazane. I'm not saying I hate abantu besifazane, but there's something I hate about them. Lento ukuthi mfethu, sometimes I feel like abantu besifazane have it easy in life.
Yeah.
Especially if you're attractive, like an attractive young lady, they have it really easy in life. To a point where there's like sometimes I do feel like if you are a young attractive lady, it's very easy for you to pass some interviews. It's very easy for you to get to umsebenzi othanda. It's very easy for you to climb the ladder when you get there to a position ephezulu. Things are just happening. So, an example, make an example of like I'm sure kubona thola ukuthi it's a yacht. It's a yacht. Umkhumbi kuzikhishi vacation. Kulo mkhumbi lo uzotholana uzothola ukuthi it's a billionaire, umuntu omdala, mhlawumbe ikhehla umuntu late 50s. Umdala lo muntu lo uyi-billionaire. Uhamba nani, mhlawumbe uhamba nengane ena-18 okanye na-25. Eshisayo. Yes. Lo muntu lo mjida lo ukuze abe lapha kulo mkhumbi le vacation. Worked almost the rest of his life, the whole of his life. He worked so hard ukuthi afford le nto leyo. Kodwa lo muntu wesifazane, she just had to be beautiful and attractive to get there. I feel like that's unfair in so many different ways. But ngingathini, I'm not suggesting ukuthi azikho inkinga abantu besifazane abahlangabezana nazo, but I have a problem with that, which is why I'm saying amajida akayeke lento leyo ukuthi uzohlangana nomuntu bese uzohlangana nomuntu ophasa empilweni umthathe wena umsephezulu. Mainly I'm not saying it's wrong, but mainly because amajida automatically they feel entitled ukuthi umuntu wami ke manje. But that's not the case, because umthatha umbeke la mayise la abona ngathi ungcono na athola abangcono bese ubanjani ke wena impilo yakhe yabheka.
Yeah, but like going back to lesa story show ukuthi ni like ikhehla nomuntu wesifazane omuhle yabo. Like uthando shouldn't be limited by the look of someone. Ngisho ukuthi uthando akumelanga ukuthi ni like ngenxa umuntu indlela abukeka ngayo and then it deserve ukuthi angahlala etafuleni yabo. Of course there's some stages that akumele ukuthi ayiphumelele yabo, because ubuhle ngeke buze bumgcina ukuthi ahlale isikhathi eside kulolu tafula lelo.
But ngiyayizwa into eshoyo. That's ngathini lento leyo i-ideal, but it's not reality. In reality they do. For example, any example, go to YouTube, not YouTube, go to Instagram or Facebook. There are people who have like big pages just because they're beautiful. There's nothing.
Nginankinga naloko ukuthi ni like une page elikhulu ngenxa ukuthi umuhle. But when it comes ukuthi manje like so yamthatha njenga no partner, angisho ukuthi iyona into okufuna like we relationship like that's one of the legs ubuhle yabo, but akusibona bonke yabo, akusibona bonke yabo. Nawe phela uyabheka ukuthi you can't just ukuthi jump and pay ama fees for umuntu like of course uhlezi ungagileka, you never know umuntu omthemba wena because uzazi wena yabo. Like usukuzama na ukuthi okay nanga umuntu fethu like sesiphila isikhathi eside yabo. But ukuthi lento like it goes back ekugcineni kusuku ukuthi thina like kuze sishade when we want to have everything. Yabo. Can you imagine ukuthi ngalesa sikhathi esiqaleni babeshadile labantu labo ngabe sikhuluma esinye istory yabo,
if bavele bashada
yabo. Thina sishada late yabo.
But so do you think if they married earlier ngabe sikhuluma esinye istory different? Because probably ngabe banengane abanomndeni
ngoba phela mawubheka more especially thina abantu abamnyama bro, uthola ukuthi impilo esiyiphilayo siphila impilo yabantu abashadile but intombi yakho.
Yes ngifuna ukuya lapho mina kahle hle yabo uyibeki ilento engikhuzayo ke mina ukuthi musukuphila ilokho njani, musukuphila impilo yabantu abashadile kodwa ujola nomuntu ungadate naye,
leyo iyakubona bobabili because naye lo wesifazana angalahlekelwa ukuthi ni manje ukuthi indoda ichuza ngenye indlela ukuthi that at least ngikushiye ne degree yabo. And then manje sengiyahamba, but what about time? Because isikhathi sibaleki sisi expensive ne degree.
Yeah, khona umunye uthela hey kwengcono lo mshaya into omele uyenze uthi omunye uthe uma uzothatha umuntu invest kuyena kanjalo kumele wenze sure ukuthi ayi crash isikhona. Because manje lo mshita lo kuwa i-crash bisikhona nje ube nengane noba eyi-1 noba ziwu2 ngabe ukhululekile manje. Uyazi ukuthi yonke le investment izophaya back to ingane zakhe. Kodwa manje lo mshita lengane ihambile kodwa anangane nale ntombazana akanalutho. Pheli yonke investment yakhe for the past 5 years because we did like I think 5 years. For the past 5 years isikhathi asiwastile that he will never get back.
Yeah, but mina ngiphinde ngikholelwe ekuthenini ngizoyibeka kanjani lento le. Mina ngikholelwa ukuthi uma ngabe sisathandana ngcono ngikuthande. Ngingakuthandi ngokuthi ni wababheka abantu besifazane bazokushaya. Uyabo because manje I mean like I'm talking like in terms of uthando la ngempela yabo ukuthi ni if ngizothanda and then ngicabanga nalezo zinto lezo of course khona amandla ngizowagodla wothando yabo. What about if bengikuthanda ngeqiniso ndakhe ngikhululekile ngikwethemba mhlambe bengingashintsha wena as upartner wami ukuthi even nawe ungithande uzulifunda uthando ukuthi ni hawu kanti uthando into nje. But the truth of the matter is kukhona abantu abasethandweni iminyaka but uthando abangalazi abangakazi bathanda. Yabo ngoba uthini umthanda nje uyacabanga ukuthi umuntu wesifazane lo angangishaya yabo umuntu wesilisa lo angangishaya yabo but you don't get to fully exercise uthando lweni yabo so that is why mina ngisho ukuthi yeah of course mawulahlekelwa at least ulahlekelwe bo wenza into right angazi noba ngiza ngobuso yini but at least ukuthi ni if ngisathandana nawe asithandane ngokweqiniso sithandane sizame lento le and then when we fail but I'm not gonna give up. I'm only a failure when I give up. But at least I'm coming out with the experience of love manje ukuthi okay izinto zenzakala kanje. Angeke ngisafundisa umuntu manje ngingazange ngilokhozi ngishade naye. Yabo? Mangihlangana nomunye umuntu manje dates and then we getting married. Yabo?
Yeah no ngiyakuzwa. So are you in love?
Mina for sure bro uyangibona na comfort. Uyangibona bethi ngiyafeel uthi ngifuza manje.
When did you realize that you were in love? When did it like occur to you ukuthi okay you know what actually ngisemathandweni like ngiyamthanda lo muntu?
Yeah man ngiyamthanda ngoba ngisamthanda njana naye izolo.
But when was the moment when you realized that? When was the moment? What happened? What event that made you realize? Come to realization. Ku click yona register kwena ukuthi actually no man I'm in love. Ngiyamthanda lo muntu.
Like njamba sike sakhuluma eqaleni ukuthi like thina we grew up from church. Yabo. We grew up from church and bengavumelekanga lezi zinto ezifana nalezo yabo. Bezingavumelekanga izinto ukuthi ungaba nomuntu othandana naye yabo. So mina mangabe ngingena uthandweni it was not ukuthi like mina benginomuntu ebenginaye emqondweni wami ukuthi nemase ukuthi sengithandana nomuntu ngizothandana nomuntu kanje yabo. And then my wife showed up yabo. But kwaba ukuthi mina kuyena hayi ukuthi ngifisa ukuthi sesiyathandana ngaleso sikhathi yabo. Ngangifisa ukumtshela ukuthi mina no like ngizizwa kanjani ngawo what vision I have for you but I'm gonna come back when the time is right. Yabo. But ngaleso sikhathi leso kanti we will be caught yabo. So now ngalesikhathi ke like we are fighting manje the time we are fighting and we are fighting together. Yabo ukuthi no kune stage ofuna sithi mase sehlukana ukuthi mina ngiyahamba ngizophinde ngibuyele wena sifikelele kusona yabo ukuthi this is the agreement esikhuluma ukuthi uzokwenza kanje nanje.
So ngibonisa ngiyancisa ukuphazamisa. So you guys naqala udate kodwa ngokwesonto ungavumelekile. But ke in the process kwakuthi niyabanjwa. So mase nibanje sekumele ukuthi ni decide manje ukuthi siyiyeka lento lena okanye we grow even stronger. Okay.
So at the time bowuthola ukuthi ni kuzomosheka esidini lami yabo mina like they are grinding me at the moment yabo so manje kufuna kuthini ngeke azangishiye ukuthi sehlukana ngalesikhathi bengigrind yabo kufuna ukuthi abe khona ngisize the time nami ngithi sengiyaba right zibe zimkhalela yeah zibe zimkhalela ngeke ngikwazi ukuthi ngimshiye ngaleso sikhathi esenkingeni yabo so kwaxa ukuthi isikhathi sisiyahamba then we like I know cause vele asabahlanga yabo asivele siyenze lento le omantu esesikholela kubona manje ithina sobabini yabo let's just do this thing ize iphile yabo and then kwaba ukuthi ke like sesihamba kanjalo yabo
sure
yeah
sure
so and then ke ngawo ke lama sacrifices bese wenza that is when I felt ukuthi like no man I love this person yabo I love this person like I can catch a grenade. I know siyathandana manje yabo and then we carried on of course abakhona and then we came to a reality ke manje ukuthi nalo nothando manje phela sedinga izinto zalo ke manje yabo yeah labantu laba abakhona manje baphinde babe ngabibikho thina ke sobabini ke yabo well of course kaba ke nama challenges ukuthi like omunye umuntu wakomunye umuzi nami ngomunye umuntu wakomunye umuzi but we were always fighting together yabo we were not fighting to break up but together
at the time so into ngi-understand ukuthi what made you to be into enibondise kakhulu it's because of the challenges that you guys were facing uma ubhekana because of your relationship uma ubhekana nama challenges kakhulu maze kunetha wena bekaba khona akusupport bese phinde isizini ishintshe zinethe yena ube khona wena umsupport in that era of ukusupportana nama challenges nezivunguvungu what do you think was the biggest challenge? What do you think was the biggest one?
The biggest one, bro, ukuthi at the time I was doing my matric.
Yeah.
So now I had to shift la ngihlala khona yabo and then I get distracted very easy yabo once nje washintsha system like it takes me time ukuthi ngiphinde ngibuyele ukuthi ngihlala emzileni wami yabo yeah that is why like kokunye into beyizinto engisha nje uthola ukuthi like uthola babe ngifunda like ngoba sengifunda college mhlawumbe uthola ukuthi masosonde exam I'm not gonna write because kube khona distraction like I didn't have wisdom for leyo nto leyo yabo so manje ngiyangishaya yabo ukuthi manje these are the exams that are coming up and then I'm fighting this thing manje yabo yeah because manje bokufuna ukuthi nisi separate ngeyimate yabo
right okay and then who was the what was the biggest force that was trying to kind of like separate you in your own point of view?
Yeah, like it goes back ukuthi nawe uyambona umama mfethu ukuthi umuntu omuhle kangakanani and then nawubuka mina back then bro like yabo ngeke mangisho ukuthi ngangiba underrated so like bowubonakala ukuthi like ngathi akangifanelanga yabo ngathi akangifanelanga yabo
deserve
yeah ebengamdeserve uyazi mfethu ukuthi nami kusisikhona wami la bengihlala khona like bowubona na mariso it was
kusiyaphela
yebo ibangayona home ground equalifyayo ukuthi he can host the games but yena ebengitrusta kakhulu cause like nami bengakhulumi mina bengakhuluma ubaphuwa bro bowungazi mina yabo even ngoba ngisho ukuthi ngoba bengisesontweni if ngi-engage nomuntu bese I didn't have the fear yabo I fear bokwinto bengenayo bengithi mangi-engage i-conversation ngisho nomuntu oyi-celebrate lapho ngimkhulumise njenganomuntu not njengane-celebrate yabo naye wayibona ukuthi this young man is got confident man more than anything yabo
there's potential
there's potential and enye into futhi engangiyibona phela kuthena ngaleso sikhathi leso ngibona ukuthi kwanzima mina ngeke ngadayise rank
really
ngeke ngadayise rank ama-smoked beef ama-zest yabo ngilokhuza ukumbona ezongivisithe rank like I felt like man this person loves me and uyazi yena ukuthi bekhulele esayidini elinjani aba right kuba yabo ukumbona lo muntu lo ezongibona erank ngidayisa bengiba nawo ukuthi I know this person
is there any person that was like really supporting your relationship regardless of what was happening and everyone like judging you and all those things? Is there like one person ongathi like bonke abantu ababe ngiyangibona ukuthi sengingcolile emehlweni abo, but this one really supported us.
Yeah, bekhona even though ngingeke ngikwazi ukumention.
No,
Yabo.
bebekhona,
Yeah, bekhona ukuthi ni because izinto zonke besizenza kahle. Yabo. Yeah, besizenza kahle. Yeah.
And then bekhona yini who was the opposite of that?
Yeah, bekhona yo bro. Yo, bro, the calls that I was receiving, man. The calls that I was receiving, and yeah, I think there was a time because, like, I mean, like, basically, there was no intimacy, yabo. Besiziphethe kahle, like. Kwaba khona this night wangivakashela because isikhathi asibasincane ngaleso sikhathi yabo.
Like I mean, okay, ngicela ukuphazamisa kancane Mazosha, because I mean everyone now, like at the end ngathini, it was a fairy tale.
Yeah.
It was difficult, but at the end you came out as a hero.
Yeah.
Because I mean, you guys now have a very beautiful small family.
Yeah.
You guys are married, and when you kid on
yeah.
you guys are like assorted now.
Yeah.
So which means I don't feel like we should limit ourselves in terms of like talking about like the past, because ekugcineni khona lesisho sithi,
you mean like the mention of the names?
No, not necessarily the mention of the names, but sengisho ukuthi kuna lesisho sithi the end justify the means. Yezwa leyo nto. So mina I want to know ukuthi noba ungasawashaya ngamagama, but usho ukuthi mhlawumbe for example mozokhuluma ngoLungelo usho ukuthi awubhuti wakho kanje na kanje, yabo ubani, not amagama kodwa. Say for example ukuthi umuntu wayesupporta mhlawumbe hayi kwakusisi wami, sisi wami leyo engimela manje into ezikanjalo. I'm trying to understand that. Yeah, you are a hero egcineni.
No, umuntu umsupporta kakhulu wayesupporta ngaleso sikhathi but uyabona umuntu okusupporta ukuthi ugcine somhlupha nawe yabo, ukuthi isikhathi no okay hlala 5 minutes and then ngicela seneze 10 minutes yabo. Yeah, kwakuyena ulokhuza usisi Nomthi yabo.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, wayikhona ngaleso
I didn't expect that.
Yeah, no, but kwaba umuntu washeshe wahamba.
Okay, ngicela ukuphazamisa futhi. I didn't expect that because I mean, before I met you, I already knew about the situation. And at the back of my mind, nganginawo ukujudge okuncane ukukhona yabo ukuthi yabo, until ngize ngihlale nawe passing engijena ngibona ukuthi lo muntu uyaphila. And if in fact nayo ulokho njani unkosikazi wakho, I don't blame her because this guy like uyaphila lo muntu yabo. Then from there, but I can imagine ukuthi there were a lot of people who were like me, like judging in a way, and I honestly thought that uNomthi was one of the people that would really judge. I didn't think.
Yeah, ngicabanga ukuthi mhlambe of late naye wabona ukuthi I know like sesiphumile esandleni yabo.
Oh, nakhona when she realized ukuthi according to her standards and second, then she
waphuma nje with peace kodwa. Yeah, waphuma ku situation baba ukuthi seyibhekana nathi. Yeah, but bro, like if I can talk about my wife, yeah, it's a long story bro. Yeah, it was not easy. Yeah, we were together manje and lezo zinto lezo zenzeka ngicabanga ukuthi uzona ezisiqinisa kakhulu.
At that time, did you pick up abantu that were like judgmental against you, like that were like abe approacher okanye not necessarily approaching nomuntu ezafika akhulume kahle phela nawe yabo, athi hayi Mazosha kanje na kanje, but khona ukuthi lo muntu lo at the back of their minds they are judging you? Did you pick up that okanye wena nje like yonke into be right?
No, ngikupick upile lo kakhulu and ngikupick upile like thina kwakuukuthi like kulindwe like the end yabo, kwakulindwe the end yabo, ngoba and futhi enye into ukuhlangana nomama eyangenza ukuthi esontweni ngigcine sengingasaculi yabo, ngoba ngangibona ukuthi like I will have to explain for everyone manje yabo. I will have to explain for everyone, and then ngabe sengabona ukuthi uthi ngithi kuma kancane yabo, uthi ngime kodwa ngihlukani nomama yena.
Akuzohlukana
ngama kunye kumayo kodwa yena ngihlukani naye yabo. So kayangididisa ke nakhona esontweni nathi ukuthi ngathi no uthi ngithi kuma kancane yabo. Yeah, kwaba nzima kanjalo yabo. Yeah, kubalekile ukuthi ube no partner usasemncane. I'm talking but this advice I'm giving from my experience.
Yeah.
The reason why ngithi kubalekile uba no partner usamncane, it's because you can't be messing around. Yabo, messing around and then leyo nto leyo phela yabona okuhle okwenzayo manje kuzokubuyela. Okubi okwenzayo kuzokubuyela. Uyabo? So manje makuwukuthi like you are messing around, like babekhona abashito uthola ukuthi bayashaya ingane fethu like yabo abanye sikhuluma nje khona abantu angabami mina abasebenengane ezike high school manje. Yabo ababe giga in out ngalesa sikhathi lesiya. Yabona but into eyinkinga ukuthi yabo mawuje uthi uzoshada so mdala or like you will focus so mdala. Abanye kodwa abasebenzela babe successful. That is why ngithi I'm giving from my experience. Yabona nje manje makuwukuthi like you were jolling around when you were light. Yabo you will find out ukuthi maso mdala njengana manje it can be difficult ukuthi ni abantu abaningi besifazane manje banezingane abaseku age yethu yabo. Okusho ukuthi if you are looking for partner ama chances amaningi ufuna high school yabo uyogijimisana nezingane ezincane manje yabo.
Abantu ngabakho mother of one, mother of two.
Baye bathi I know I'm going to get married at the age of 40 yabo. But the question is at the age of 40 bro, even namandla zabe sethini esehlile manje yabo. Uthola ukuthi like your partner manje nizi lawo mandla lawo awasekho lawo mandla lawo yabo aphelele phi endleleni yabo. And ngeke uzukwazi ukumexplainela upartner ukuthi hey mina ngangishisa kabi yabo mangawubuza uma wengane yami yokuqala akakuchazela ukuthi nguba yabo. Kanti upartner wakho like lo okhule naye yena uyakwazi ukuthi no understand ukuthi I know this man used to operate yabo. So manje wena uzobe sewune story manje ufuna ukuchaza. Why ufuna ukuchaza yabo? Because uyazi ukuthi ni amandla wasekho manje yabo.
No ngiyakuzwa kodwa uyibeke kahle mothi like from your experience because mina
nanokuthi mhlambe in addition before uzobuza yabo like mina ngathi makhe mina I don't want to lie yabo. Ama mistake ake enzeke endleleni yabo. Yaba khona amalokho ama mistake enzekalayo but at least nginomuntu enginayo okwazi ukuthi ungikhoza ukuthi hayi nayo le ndlela le nani which is just that ngifuna ukuthi angazi noma singangena kulawo ma blunders ake enzeka yini mase ngifike eThekwini like impilo siqala iba ngathi yashintsha. So engikushoyo ukuthi yabo mina ngithena mangabe ngithi like sengikhokha amalobola nani yabo sengiqala sengiba nomama yabo. Abantu abaningi abadala bangishayela izandla yabo. Mabe ngishayela izandla basho ukuthi hayi no uhlakaniphile yabo. But angibuza uhlakanipha one lo yabo. But when I'm doing the research ukuthi if you are choosing one woman at that age and then we are sticking with that woman, there's a lot of things ozophuma kuzona. There's a lot of wasted time ozophuma kuyona yabo. Okusho ukuthi ni if unomuntu oyedwa at a young age like early 20s we are getting married manje kunabantu abaningi ongadinga ukubazi ongeke uzubazi yabo. But of course ubudlelwane budinga isikhathi bro. Isikhathi it's money. The time you waste nalo umuntu like ojola naye like isikhathi esihambayo. But mawukuthi yonke izinto uziplana nomuntu wesifazane oyedwa then uyabo kuba easy. Kufana nokuthi like I used to advise ukuthi masawusho ukuthi you are married stay with your wife yabo. I advise lokho but ngibabonile abanye abantu beba successful ngokuhlala ngokuhlukana. But I have experiences mina bro othola ukuthi utata kaSibani wayishadile yabo enonkosikazi wakhe yabo. Unkosikazi wakhe emshiye emakhaya yena ehlala eGoli yabo. Ahlala eGoli utata kaSibani uza ukuthi usepensionile manje but akasafuni ukubuya eGoli. Indawo usokunamari lathi phela lapha asehlala naye yabo. And manje into eyinkinga difficult kunzima ukuhlala nomuntu okhuliswe ngenye indlela. Now uyazi for sure you've experienced lo nto njalo umuntu oshadile ukuthi mawuqala ukuhlala no partner wakho nihlala of course there's differences yabo manje we are trying to collect together yabo. But into esizwa ukuthi yabo phela mangabe ukuthi umama la still young yabo now you still young uyabona ukuthi nefethu ayila so kubha indlela efisixabana njalo uyayithoba yabo imizwa
so
so can you imagine ubuye eGoli so na age of 60 yabo imizwa yakho seyiphansi mawukuthi uyakubhedela unkosikazi wami ukuthi iyabheda ke manje because there's nothing oyincengile yabo noma ngawulala kwelinye ikamera awunandaba because ayisekho into oyithini enza ukuthi ubuyela kumele ukuthi ni connect nene usiya ekamereni elikhulu yabo ayisekho yabo so manje uthola ukuthi ni ke le ndoda manje ijwayele umuntu ehlala naye ngala kule setting ngalawo yabo angeke isakwazi ukuhlala nalomuntu wesifazane naye usavele wayinikezela yabo there's lot of years beshadile but there is no experience yabo so which means unyaka wakho uyi1 ushadile wena uhlala nonkosikazi wakho uyayehlula iminyaka yabo u20 beshadile bona
yeah because ondlale naye for the whole year lo ngodwa bona uhlala bona yeah but bengileyo ukuthi I think a part of me supports indaba yokushada omncane but part of me not very sure not very sure you know? Mainly because no I think I married young as well and I'm happy for that but could be mean yes angazi ngawe sometimes I do feel like even though it was good for me to marry young because number one ngaqoqeka mfethu yabo kunama flop ebemele ngazi ngahle mhlophe ngabe ngiwashayile kodwa ngiwashaya because bengihleli nawo ukuthi isikhathi ubani kumele nginenkosikazi ngindile endle kumele ngihambe yabo into ezikanjalo I'm grateful for that yes bese kuzoba khona into ethi so I sometimes worry ukuthi hey kunamajida mfethu ahambile ezweni yes kunamajida mfethu azenzile izinto ngale ngaphandle yabo I just want ukuthi down the line at the age of 35 at the age of 40 because ngiyengibona abantu mfethu uthola ukuthi mase benabo 40 mase bebuyele emuva bayikwenza izinto ekwakumele bazenze bengeka shada sebebuyela kuzona ngoba manje abana experience yaso befuna ukuyozizwa izinto so I'm just like it was good for me to marry young I'm grateful for that and it was a brilliant idea it was a good decision I'm just worried ukuthi kuzokwenzakalani mase unabo 35 40 45 mosokubuyela emuva manje ukwenza lezi zinto owazimisisha ngoba nawo ushade early yabo I'm just saying ukuthi I don't know maybe it's good for the people abaqale bayenze yonke into abafuna ukuyenza then at the age of 35 baqale bashade ngoba sebekwenze konke but maybe it's not good mainly because I also do think that is why I have mixed feelings ngale I don't think amantombazana amaningi kakhulu emhlabeni okanye ukuganga kuningi kakhulu emhlabeni uhamba amaphathi angeke uyiqede lento leyo and I don't think there is a point in time where you are like okay now I'm done now ngingathini I'm content angisafuni lutho I don't think you get there so that is why I'm 50-50 but all in all yeah I think I'm happy ukuthi ngasheshe honestly
no you see the problem lento ukuthi labo nami kukhona ezinye izinto ezikeza ngishaya uyabo like bro there was alcohol in my life at one stage yabo too much yabo shaya can you imagine sibuye esontweni ngomuntu besonta like yonke into like there was a point like when I was like shower alcohol yabo the problem is life yenzeke khona positioning is very important
sure
yabo like uthena umjita wakho bawubhash
beshe yeah
umuntu wesifazane ngeke athi akuchithele ukhona ubuka kanje yeah of course ungekho yabo izinto zenzeka ngoba usuku ungekho yabo nayo lento ukuthi ufuna ukubuyela ezintweni zakho somdala sofuna ukubuza ukuthi wenzakalani ngaleso sikhathi leso wasimesisha yabo no ingoba wena usuke sewungase uthando like it's a everyday practice yabo usungayanga kwi practice yabo if bo practice uthando nonkosikazi wakhe and then you love one another yabona aba grand bese ngazoba khona isidingo sokuthi ni phuma uziyokwenza le nto leyo yabo because you need to learn every day about life how to love one another yabo yabo
so you should be busy learning how to love one another to a point ukuthi there is no gap
yeah into yenza ukuthi manje sofisa kanjalo ukuthi you have lot of time in your hand yabo and yabona ukuthi I know kahle getting married ukuthiwa niyehlukaniswa ukufa yabo kahle into eyiningi bokumele kuthiwa uzenza nani no partner wakho yabo mayikhona uzomchithela kanjani khona
Ekhona. Yeah, I get that. And then also, I think this is very important.
And going back, sorry ukukhatha ulimi, going back ukuthi ni like lento ukuthi if you besifuna sihlaphazise yabo, can you imagine ukuthi ngalesa sikhathi ecollege izinto zenzakala ngale ndlela ezenzakala ngayo yabo, like abantu besingane zazikhona yabo.
Yeah.
If kwakhona wayekhuleliwe lapha yana manje yabo, ngabe nginengane manje yabo, and lo muntu useyiphathi yempilo yami yabo forever.
Yeah.
And leyo ngane leyo manje ayisalithola uthando lwanele because manje ngiyibona ngalezo zikhathi lezo, which is we don't want that. Yabo.
No, ngiyakuzwa mfethu.
So you will never regret ukuthi izinto awuzenzanga because ekugcineni kosuku zazingeze zikusize ngalutho.
Okay. I have this like very biggest question. I think we're gonna close with this one.
Yeah.
We're gonna close with this one.
Yeah.
As a guy, as a person,
yeah,
according to your experience, according to what you know, according to your opinion as well, do you think you ever get to a point where you are like, you don't ever, if awusangena ejimini ubona umuntu ongamazi owesifazane ugqoka ithayithi umile kahle muhle kube khona lo ukuthi yes, do you get to a point where you don't care about those things because you know ukuthi I know mina ngumuntu kanje, or lento lezo hlala zenzeka, you just need to always be disciplined? So that means as a guy you need to whole day, every day, be disciplined until.
Bro, yazi ngihlezi ngikhumbula ngelinye ilanga sihamba nonkosikazi yabo. Mina like mangibona umuntu ojimayo ngiyakuthanda ukumbheka yabo.
Sure.
Sibona umuntu esifazane kanti ujulukile yabo. Ujulukisa ukuthi ubejima yabo. Athi mama, yazi ngiyakubona ukuthi uphi nalomjuluko ubhekile yabo. Ngithi mina uyangazi nje ukuthi ngihlezi ngibheka abantu abajimayo. But all in all imfethu.
Wena wahlezi ngibheka abantu abajimayo.
Why ngihlezi ngibheka? Because for me it took me time to understand ukuthi ukuyithanda akusikona ukulala ugezile. Yeah, akusikona ukulala ugezile, like it's what you eat, it's what you do for your health yabo. So ngisuke nginako ukuthi ni lo muntu uthatha isinqumo waphuma endlini yabo wayejimini washaya umgaqo yabo, okusho ukuthi uyayithanda lo muntu le. Sengilike ngibona umuntu oyithandayo mina.
Usukubheka ilokhunjana ingathini the inner person okanye effort behind what they are doing, not necessarily the results.
Not their results, of course ke phela usike ungaphambili kwami ngizokwenza njani. Usike ngaphambili kwami sengizokubona uyabona. But angeke umuntu wesifazane bro, angeke uzuthi mawumbona uthini I know ngiyambona nje kuyimisela kwakhe. Kukhona nawo usubheka ukuthi yena ukhona yena yabo. Ukhona yena kodwa akusenani. Ukhona yena kodwa akusenani ngoba manje mina ngigrand yabo. Yeah.
But back to my question, do you get to a point where you are like you don't care, or you need to always use discipline? You need to always be disciplined. Yeah,
it's discipline, bro.
So it's gonna be discipline all the way.
Yeah, it's gonna be discipline, but you practice discipline.
Yeah.
You practice discipline. You practice. I believe it's something that you practice, then you become perfectly on the leg. Yabo, like it's all about deciding ukuthi ni yazi manje angeke senzeke into kanje. No matter what yabo, and then you practice lonto leyo ukuthi ngeke senzeke into efana naleyo. Yabo.
All right, okay, no ngiyakuzwa, that's powerful. Okay,
ngoba kokunye ngenze ukuthi uthole ukuthi une discipline kanti awukho exposed. Yabo, utshe ukuthi discipline kanti awukho exposed. Yabo, and then when you are getting exposed and then yabo vele kuthanda ukuthi ayikho lento okhuluma ngayo yabo,
uphalale
njenganamanzi yabo. No, kubeka into lapha phezulu kwetafula usho ukuthi no, cela ukudlulisa. Yeah, kusikona kwami. Yeah, cause manje bro, mina baningi abantu engibezwa kuthiwani usejele kuthiwa ukukholwa ejele isimanga yabo shumayela nani but mayiphuma ngaphandle avela abuyele kulowo muntu because there was no alcohol in prison. Abengekho amantombazane in prison yabo. So uthi athi mayephuma umbotha kuphi nangu lo muntu manje phasi phezulu nabantu besifazane yazi khona nje umoya umjida fethu abathi mayephuma ejele baphuma isikhathi sesishintshile yabo. Dala ehamba babegqoka amajacket weleda bahambe beweshela le yabo njengithi uthi sithala thina lapha kaMeka Mgwili koshele ka James nasemambulweni yabo. Manje sokhona babuya sokhona uWhatsApp besenza same thing ababeyenza yabo uthi bebengakhuluma efonini and then they arrange ukuthi yabo baweshela bawolinda emfuleni ngibona ukuthi phela isikhathi abaseshintshile sabashaya basawolinda endaweni errong akusekho manje sekhona ama tabs nani yabo. So all what I'm saying ngiyasho ukuthi kubalekile ukunqoba izinto zikhona ziphambili kwakho yabo. So ungasho ukuthi hayi ngoba kanti uyivalele la endlini ustrong yabo kanti no awukazi ube phambi kwabantu sikubone ukuthi strong ngempela.
Fana nalento leyo ukuthi uxeka abantu abanemali ukuthi abaphile kahle ubajaja kahle ujaja abantu abanemali ujela ukuthi umoral kunabo until ube nemali nawe bese uyabona izinto mase zenzeka uyabona ukuthi abantu nabo yabo mawubona ukuthi like awukabikho strong kubalekile ukuthi uzopractice ama basics uwedwa and then uphumele uyozitest ebantwini ukuthi hayi no kusangishaya yabo. I know, perfect. Hayi ngicabanga ukuthi ke this is it man, asivale la for today. I really hope that we gonna be doing this a lot. We're just gonna be doing like weekly conversations. If you wanna be with us, just let us know. We'll invite you, come here and sit with us, drink water. We're drinking water. Ngoba phela sifuna ukuba healthy, ama diets uqala unyaka kushubile. But Norman, thank you so much for for being with me. We'll see you and I really hope you enjoyed yourself. I enjoyed myself as well. As long as we enjoy ourselves, I think that's all that matters. For sure, bakhona abantu abafana nathi out there that they can relate to yabo. And there's the time content builder up like bazoba baningi abantu abazobona ukuthi baya relate kulento because nabo njengoba besikhula nje bakhona umuntu ofana nami olapha emakhaya naye uthola ukuthi impilo naye iyamshaya ngapha nangapha like you lose confidence yabo. But ekugcineni kosuku I think ukuthi abantu abanjalo sobathatha yabo nabo bagcina sebezethemba kakhulu yabo bangenza ngifisa ukuthi kube khona uzola ofana nami ozohlala emuva yabo na ebekukhona something mhlambe angabe ukudi kuyona yabo ahlala emuva ngenxa ukuthi uzalelwephi yabo ngoba it's not about ukuthi uzalelwephi kodwa ngoba sowuzelwe umuntu uyafana nomuntu you are living in 24 hours so uyaphila nje impilo enormal so uyizokona nje ukuthi malifika usuku uthatha njengane gift and then you are fighting ukuthi ube grand now one day. Sure. I know. Number one. Mfethu I know ngithi hayi asivale. Hayi. Njengoba nazi ke bafethu siyaqala episode yokuqala namhlanje asinayo indlela eformal yokuyivala. So sho nje ukuthi hayi siyanthana nonke emakhaya siyabonga asiphinde sihlangane ngokuzayo. So khuluma lapho comment section. Definitely. Tell us in the comment section what you think about this khulume ngazo namhlanje, but also tell us what are the things you want us to talk about as isikhathi sami. So no asivale bafowethu number 1. Danko.